Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Pulse credit card account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.pulsecard.co.uk. After you come across this official page, click on the login button in the top section of your screen. Now in this login portal, enter your username associated with your account. If you do not remember your username, then click on Forgotten Username link. And if you want your device to remember your username, then check the box that says Remember my username. And if you don't want it, then uncheck the box. If you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Sign up here link. After entering your username, tap on Next button. And in the next page, you'll have to enter your password. After that, follow through the prompts and fill in the information that is required in order to log in. And that is how you can log into Pulse credit card account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.